Hello everyone, I am Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A Shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our next practical is practical number 2. Draw plan of electrical installation scheme for given small commercial unit using AutoCAD. So first, what are the practical significance of this practical? So every diploma engineering student must have the knowledge of AutoCAD for making the drawing of commercial electrical installation and identify the symbolic representation of appliances, equipment, distribution board and their position, location as per the IE rule. Then programs outcome, relevant programs outcome. So this is already tell in previous practical number 1. So first one is the discipline knowledge. Apply the electrical engineering knowledge to solve the board based electrical engineering related problems. Environment and sustainability. Apply electrical engineering solution for sustainable development practices in the social and environmental context. Engineering tools. Apply relevant engineering technologies and tools with an understanding of limitations. The engineering societies, engineer and the society, access societal's health, safety, legal and the cultural issue and the consequent responsibilities relevant to practice in the field of electrical engineering. And last is ethics. Apply electrical principle for commitment of the professional ethics, responsibilities and normal of the practice in the field of electrical engineer. Then what are the aim of this practical? So it is simply plan the electrical installation with their cost estimate. Then program outcomes. So draw the single line diagram of commercial installation. Then draw the symbols of installation component equipments on the above plan, shown their location. Then draw the installation wiring route diagram for the above planning or the given planning. Then what precaution should be taken for this practical? So first, use standard electrical symbol as per the IE rule to represent the electrical installation accordingly. Then segregate the wiring installation with proper suitable color base on distribution outlet. Clearly specify the position, location or spacing of points and distribution board with proper labeling or numbering. Then procedure to be followed. So first, collect the plan and requirement of electrical points from the client or contractor or any given material which is suggested by your teacher. Then next, second is the draw the provide suggested to from collected plan in AutoCAD clearly indicates the position of door and windows. Then third one is draw the appliances and distribution board power point light points by representing with symbol and color coding labeling. Next is draw conduit route to join all points with respect to sub distribution board by the shortest distance. Make the number of conductor in respective conduits. And last one is draw the electrical wiring diagram from plan drawn in step 4 to step 5. We will take the hospital plan. So this is the installation diagram of that hospital plan. So in this installation plan, there are total 8 rooms then with one doctor room, one general ward, and 2 nurse room. So, and the dimension is clearly mentioned in that. According to this diagram, this is the image of AutoCAD image, which is converted into the PDF. So this is the installation plan. This is this plan which is drawn in the AutoCAD. Then next is the wiring diagram. It is clearly shows the wiring diagram of that installation plan. Here in each room, one fan is there, one socket, one light and one tube point. With their one power point socket is also installed in each room. Then this is the distribution board panel with wiring diagram. So here single phase supply which is given to the single phase energy meter. Then energy meter supply which is given to the main switch. Here ICDP switch is there. Then ICDP switch supply connected to the distribution board panel. In distribution board panel, there are many points like DP-MCB, that means double pole MCB. Then after that bus bar is there. Then earth leakage circuit breaker is there. Neutral link is there. Then supply which is provided to each circuit. For each circuit, separate MCBs is also connected. So this is the distribution board panel wiring diagram. Then this is PowerPoint wiring diagram. So in each room, one PowerPoint connection is there. So for this is the switchboard and connection of the PowerPoint and switchboard. Now what assumptions we will take for this installation? So first one, main board is installed on the veranda wall 1 meter away from the room wall. Then height of ceiling is 4 meter. Thickness of wall is 0.25 meter. Then horizontal run of the conduit is 3.5 meter from the ground floor. Heights of the switchboard is equal to 1.5 meter from the floor. Then switchboard is 1 meter away from the door. Then voltage is 230 volt and power factor is 1. Now calculation of the load. So total light point. So total 16 lights is connected and each lights having 60 watt. So 960 watt for the lamp point. Then fluorescent tube. Total 13 fluorescent tube or fluorescent lamp is connected and each having 40 watts. So 520 is consumption of fluorescent lamp. Then ceiling fan. Total 18 ceiling fan is connected and each ceiling fan consumes 60 watt. So 60 into 18 is equal to 1080 watt. Then exhaust fan, only one exhaust fan is used. So 1 into that 1000 watt for that exhaust fan rating. So it is 100 watt. Then socket outlet 5 ampere. Total 12 socket outlet is used. 5 ampere socket outlet. So 12 into 100 watt is equal to 1200 watt. Then socket outlet 15 ampere. Use 2 socket outlet 15 ampere. So total 2000 watt is consumed. So addition of this all the wattage. So total wattage in watt is 5860 watt. Then calculate the load in ampere or rated current. So total wattage divided by volt. So total wattage is 5860 divided by 230. That means 25.4 ampere says 26 ampere is there. For 26 ampere, so use DPIC main switch of 42 ampere 250 volt grade. Then these are the material required for this installation. So first one is DP is used 1 number. Their rating is 42 ampere, 250 volt grade, fuse neutral link, 32 ampere MCB's rating of main switch. Then use ironclad distribution board ICDP 1 number. Then ironclad main switch 30 centimeter by 45 centimeter, 4 rag bolt, nut and bolts. So it is 1 number and their rate is 150. Then conduit pipe 25 mm diameter, 241 meter and 14 rupees per meter. So total rate is 3374. Then PVC insulated aluminum conductor with their rating. So it is required 815 meter, 2 meter, 2 rupees per meter. So 1630 is the total rate of that. Then PVC insulated aluminum conductor single coat 250 volt grade, 4 mm size, 1 by 2.24 mm diameter. It's required 98 meter and their rate is 2.6 rupees per meter. So total cost is 254.80. Then next is earth wire, 14 SWG GI, 5 meter we required. So total rate is 25. Then we need ironclad conceal type switchboard with bakelite sheet. So total we need different size it, like 10 by 10 centimeter, 20 by 25 centimeter, 30 by 30 centimeter. So total we required 16 plus 1 plus 3, that means 20 numbers with their rating. Then we need conduit pipe with the different size and with junction boxes. So here detail is there. In that conduit pipe and accessories is also include, like conduit bend, conduit socket, then conduit nut hexagonal to fix the conduit with switchboard, then conduit bushes of rubber. Then so these are the total conduit accessories we need. Then we need the different types of switches, like flush switch 5 ampere, 15 ampere, 5 ampere, 15 ampere. Socket is also required with their quantities and rating which is given here. Then junction box cover and junction box, then lamp brass holder, then we need angle holder. So these are the quantities and their rating which is given here. Then we need the machine screw with different sizes. Then earthing timbers we required. Then machine screw. So this is the material required for that commercial installation. So total amount for this installation is 8551.3 rupees. Miscellaneous 10% of the total cost is 855.13. So total cost of wiring is 9406.43. That means it is equal to 9500 rupees. 9500 we required for this installation. So this is our practical number 2. We'll draw this plan, this wiring diagram and this installation on the AutoCAD, and these are the all are the AutoCAD PDF images which is shown here. Thank you.